You just had to bring this in, didn't you?
Of course, it's all over. I mean, लड़के ने बिंदास सीना तान के अनाउंस कर दिया, तो अब क्या?
Exactly, कुछ ज्यादा ही बिंदास अनाउंस कर दिया लड़के ने बर्थडे पे. So everybody started congratulating me and I'm like, guys, what are you congratulating me for? Like, I didn't understand. Hi guys, this is Rakul and subscribe to Siddharth Kannan's YouTube channel now.
Starring you एक terminology है जहां पे हम सबको लगता है I want to star in a big movie. But right now, Rakulpreet Singh and Amanpreet Singh have made sure it is going to happen. भाई बहन की जोड़ी जब ये लोग मिले, एक लखनऊ में है, एक बंबई में है, दोनों की आंखों में आंसू आ गए कि भैया मेरे, I haven't seen you in a while. Rakul, how does it feel to be with your brother from different cities and doing an interview together?
It feels great, and you know, the way you put it and the way you act out the emotion, नहीं, hidden actor तो तुम्हारे अंदर है. तुम स्टारिंग यू पे जरूर अप्लाई करो.
अमन, तुम क्यों समझ रहे हो ये इंटरव्यू मैं कर रहा हूं? भाई मैं अपनी सेटिंग कर रहा हूं ताकि मैं हीरो बनूं पिक्चर में. भाई
तो उसके लिए आपको ऐप डाउनलोड करनी पड़ेगी ना, प्ले स्टोर एंड एप्पल स्टोर से.
बाबा क्या मार्केटिंग एजेंट है, मिला है तुम्हें रकुल? ऑन द स्पॉट डाउनलोड करो, फट फट फट. He's understood the game. I am so happy because today one thing people aspire is to be on that big screen or OTT or act. लोग बंबई आ जाते हैं, उनको पता नहीं रहता कि यार मैं क्या करूं. कभी कभार उनको एजेंट्स मिल जाते हैं जो उनको टोपी देते हैं, make them run around, and then you know they get disillusioned, confidence goes for a toss. Why did you think of this app, Rakul?
जब मैंने बॉम्बे शिफ्ट किया था, I used to 2-3 years just go in the morning, be in Lokhandwala and Andheri and do my auditions and then leave, and you know, full day of that hustle was there for years, 2-3 years. And why can't we make that available at the click of a button? Why can people who are aspiring to have a career in the film industry, not just as actors, as so many different things in the film industry, whether it is writers, directors, cinematographer, costume stylist, hairstylist, if you want to have a career in the film industry, you have to be on this platform, and we are constantly bombarding all the opportunities that are available for you. So it was Aman's brainchild and he developed the app. It's taken us over a year to develop this entire database, and our whole aim is to have a seamless have a database where the talent hunters can find the right aspiring talent and the talent can see the opportunities.
क्या बात है, शाबाश मेरे बड़े भाई अमन. Thank you so much. मैं तो evergreen हूँ. Tell me, in your journey as an actress to make it, तुमने क्या-क्या struggles देखे? जो जितने लोग देख रहे हैं, they obviously see your success. Tell me about your struggles and yours as well, Aman, starting with Rakul.
Right. See, I'll just tell you that I don't like to use the word struggle. It is a journey that you sort of start, and the journey is long. When you don't know anybody in the industry, आप किसी को जानते नहीं हो, आपको एक्टर बनना है. अभी एक्टर बनना है, बॉम्बे में आ गए, अब लोगों को मिलो, पहले ढूंढो. So mine was a process, right? I didn't know anybody. What are the opportunities there? कौन-कौन लोग ढूंढ रहे हैं, जाके उनको मिलना, लाइन में खड़े रहना, फिर खुद मतलब वो 2-3 साल के लिए किया, and I won't call it struggle. It was something I wanted to do. तो हमने सोचा कि अगर 10 साल पहले ऐसी कोई ऐप होती तो मुझे शायद घर से निकल के अकेले 19-20 साल की उम्र पे नहीं रहना पड़ता और अपना घर नहीं खुद चलाना पड़ता, और वो चीजें, things would have been easier, right? Today you can do everything on an app. Why can't you audition?
Have you ever in your career, Rakul, जब तुम so-called struggle कर रही थी, I know you hate the word, but when you are fighting against all odds और जो तुमने जीता, कभी तुम्हें लगा यार अब मेरे से नहीं हो पा रहा है, मैं अभी छोड़ के जाना चाहती हूँ फिल्म इंडस्ट्री because I'm not being able to crack the code, ऐसी feeling आई?
No, actually, of course you have your highs and lows when you audition, when you feel ये movie हो जाएगी, वो नहीं होती है, वो ऐसे rejections तो बहुत होते हैं. My first film in Telugu, I was replaced, but it was never कि मैं छोड़ के जा रही हूँ, because I was very determined and I had given myself 2 years.
You struggled, you fought for what you felt you needed to do. वो 6 साल की मुझे flashbacks बोलो ना यार अपने करियर के बारे में.
So मैंने, like you said, बड़े पापड़ बेले. So I'll tell you my experience in terms when I moved to Bombay. I was 22 years old, and in 3 months I was not professionally or personally, finding a correct flatmate. You can't afford a flat by yourself, right? Especially when you're 22. Finding the correct people to stay with is a task. And for me, that became a challenge. And in 3 months, I was so sick and tired that I ran off to Hyderabad. I ran off to my sister and I said, listen, I can't do this. So that was the initial challenge. Then there were other challenges because I am Rakul's brother, right? I used to be called in an audition. They used to talk to me entirely. उसके बाद मुझसे पूछते थे रकुल की डेट है इस प्रोजेक्ट के लिए. मेरे को लगा वो मुझे बता रहे हैं, मेरे लिए बुलाया मुझे. And then slowly वो बोलेंगे अच्छा रकुल की डेट्स मिल जाएंगी अगर ये रोल रकुल को करना हो. तो मैंने कहा तुम मेरा टाइम क्यों वेस्ट कर रहे हो.
बट रकुल ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ है कि तुमने फोन उठा के किसी को फोन किया और बोला यू नो व्हाट मेरा भाई अमान टैलेंटेड है, एटलीस्ट गिव हिम अ चांस, ऐसा कभी नहीं किया तुमने?
Sid, actually nahi, because I feel that everyone has their own journey. I gave him the contacts and the access that I could, but then he has to make those calls and that was very clear shuru se between the two of us that, you know, every person has their own journey of learning and experiences and films you do that you don't do. My taking the call, picking a phone on somebody is not going to help him crack a film.
क्या बात है. End में what do you want to see? What do you want to achieve? What is that big thing you feel that will be the game changer for the Indian film industry from starring you?
If I want somebody, yeah, I want good writers. I want a kick-ass script. But writers nahi hai. Jo hai handful, they are so busy. But there are so many talented youngsters, you know, who have just finished their courses, who are looking forward to an opportunity, who can just put up their profile and resume and possibly be spotted.
How important is for actors, because कभी कभार लोग कहते हैं actors की shelf life होती है वगैरह वगैरह, to have a backup plan, एक side business, ताकि ऐसा ना हो एक दिन success है और कल success ना हो तो over a period of time आप financially hit हो जाते हो. बहुत सारी कहानियां हमको सुनने को आती हैं over the years. Is it important to have that backup plan?
See, I wouldn't call it a backup plan, because when you call it a backup plan, you're already thinking you'll need a backup. You know, I think it's the energy that you put out in your work and the way you think and what you channelize is what becomes your reality.
यार अमर, तुम्हारी बहन एक motivational speaker भी हो सकती है. Have you realized that?
Yeah, I know it. मेरी सारी motivation कहाँ से आती है? सुबह 6 बजे शुरू होती है motivation speaking and वो रात तक चलती है 9 बजे तक.
But anyways, listen, I'm very happy for you. You finally found the love of your life.
You just had to bring this in, didn't you?
Of course, it's all over. I mean, लड़के ने बिंदास सीना तान के announce कर दिया, तो अब क्या?
Exactly, कुछ ज्यादा ही बिंदास announce कर दिया लड़के ने birthday पे. So everybody started congratulating me and I'm like, guys, what are you congratulating me for? Like, I didn't understand. I said, we've been dating for a while. It's just that you all know it now. My friends and my family knew it. So, but I think it's a great phase. I think finally, every time I used to say, oh, I'm single. Remember all those interviews we used to say? So now that's God. Not that's a good phase in life. But
I can't make fun of her anymore. I used to make so much fun of her, but now I can't do that.
क्या करते तुम? क्या बोलते थे रकुल से?
बस like that you're single, stop eating my head. सुबह 6 बजे मेरे को उठाने क्यों आ जाते हो? कोई जिंदगी में आएगा तो ठीक हो जाओगे.
But you know, I love this. I always believe तुम काम अच्छा करती हो. You're such a family girl. You know, your brother just said how you're a mummy figure to your brother. You found love in your life. It's so beautiful how you balance the professional and personal life. I've known Jackie for years. और मैं सच में कहता हूँ, मुझे बंदा बहुत अच्छा है. वो बड़ा simple सा है. You know, उसने भी अपने आप को कहाँ वो oversized था एक जमाने में, अपने battles fight करके इतना trim fit हो चुका है. What do you love most about Jackie?
Wow, this has just become my personal life interview set. I think the fact that
don't blush now. It's okay. It's out in the open. अब थोड़ी छुपाना है उसको यार.
Give me the credit. Huh? You guys started talking because of me. Give me the credit.
Yeah, I think I'll give Aman the credit. No, but I think the fact that we are both very similar people, Sid, and we understand that, you know, we both prioritize our work in a similar way. We both are family-oriented people, and we both love working out. We both love to eat healthy. I think that's what we connected on.
make people the real stars.
Thank you so
Mr.
much.
Kanan.